Hi everyone, this is Cheryl from Indiegogo. Today, we're unboxing something that will shake up the world of drones. V-Copter Falcon Mini. It is the world's first V-shaped bicopter under only 250 grams. It is designed to be more fun to fly with. Let's get it started. All right. Wow, the first impression of the packaging is very slick and compact, just like the drone itself. So inside this bag, we got Falcon Mini, controller, charger, and 2 batteries, and some extra propellers, and just a simple quick start guide. It is designed to be simple and hassle-free so you can fly in no time. So the Falcon Mini features this unique V-shaped bicopter design with fewer propellers. It is designed to be more quiet and efficient. One charge can fly up to 34 minutes. That is some serious endurance for a drone this size. The folks at 00 Robotics draws their inspiration from nature, which comes to be more efficient, to be honest. So, if birds can fly with 2 wings, why can't a drone? One of the coolest technology is got to be its tilt rotor tech. It is designed to let you fly more stable and agile. Plus, it's got a 4K camera with 3-axis gimbal for a silky smooth picture, and a transmission that ranges up to 1.5 miles. Tell me, that isn't some impressive technology. And if you're feeling like a boss, try the reverse flight kit. It lets you fly this thing upside down and perform some serious aerobatic stunts, 1-foot or 2-foot spins. As you can see, Falcon Mini is a total game changer in the drone world. It is live on Indiegogo now, and if you are as excited as I am, please go back now.